Hello everybody, my name is Mike, product manager at Snap-on. Today we're going to talk a little bit about our new fluid transfer pump. It operates on the 14.4 volt platform, includes a cushion grip handle, and is also very lightweight at just 2 3/4 pounds. So our new fluid transfer pump also includes a brushless motor, in addition to a durable aluminum multi-position pump. Now, another feature I'd like to point out is our oversized trigger, which has variable speed for a more controlled fluid transfer. So this is also going to be perfect for many types of common maintenance jobs. It will handle fluids including oils, cleaning solvents, hydraulic fluid, coolant. But important safety note here is it's not meant to be used with flammable liquids. All right, so our new transfer pump is super easy to assemble. First, you need to load your battery into the tool. Then you're going to attach your pump head. Then simply attach the hoses. So this unit also includes a screened intake, and that's to prevent debris from contaminating the pump. In addition, we have arrows on the pump head to clearly indicate the direction of fluid flow. Important note here is that you don't want to run this unit dry. It must have fluid in it, otherwise you risk damaging it. The pump transfers fluids from drums, pails, and containers at a maximum flow rate of 5 gallons per minute without spills, creating a safer work environment and minimizing cleanup time. Okay, so our new fluid transfer pump comes with 2 38-inch 5/8 inch hoses and 1 60-inch 3/16 inch hose. To clean, simply remove the pump head, remove your hoses, and rinse with warm water and dish soap.